Hello, aviation enthusiasts. This aircraft looks like a sleepy old biplane, but in fact, if you could master it, you would be able to outfly and outmaneuver almost any opponent in World War I because you could whirl through the sky like almost no other airplane could. This iconic Sopwith Camel came to the Air Zoo on long-term loan from Gordon and Martha Beatty, and I am talking to you today because Gordon and Martha were my grandparents. Britain's Sopwith Aviation Company first began building camels in 1916. We call this camel a hybrid reproduction because it blends new and authentic parts. The engine, machine guns, and some instruments are all genuine World War I issue, over 100 years old. Using blueprints from Hawker Siddeley Company, the successor to Sopwith Aviation, my grandfather began building the camel in his garage, and I loved coming over to see it as a child. He died before he could finish, but in 1999, the Air Zoo's restoration team embraced the chance to continue the work and built the lovely spruce and ash wings that make the camel complete. They did an excellent job, and I know it's just the way my grandfather would have wanted. The wings are uncovered so you can view the engineering artistry beneath what would be an Irish linen skin. In 1919, the U.S. Army Air Service flying regulations guided aviators to avoid wearing spurs while flying and to carry handkerchiefs in a handy position in order to wipe off their goggles. This camel is equipped with twin Vickers machine guns and a Clerget 9B engine, a reliable air-cooled rotary engine which prevented overheating. Technically called the F-1, the camel got its famous nickname based on the humped fairing or covering over the machine gun breeches. The plane's markings honor Canadian pilot William Barker and the numerous victories he won in his beloved camel. Pursuit aircraft played an important role during World War I by flying reconnaissance missions, and Barker remains the most decorated Canadian serviceman to this day. Fans of Snoopy from the Peanuts may also recall the piloting pup's dogfight dreams with the Red Baron. I hope you've enjoyed learning more about this magnificent aircraft. From my family to yours and on behalf of the mighty Kalamazoo Air Zoo, thank you for watching and keep your eyes to the sky.